G'day folks, Jamil here. I'm just going to take you through a quick walkthrough and a little bit of a tour of what you get with TechSales OS. So this little summary here lets you know what the package deal is. Over 65 video lessons, 8 hours of content covering everything I think you need to know about being a top 1% tech seller. You get my top 1% process end to end, documented with single lessons for each aspect. What you need to know about the human side of tech, the people side of tech. Right? Psychology and sales, how to get to know people, what you should know about soft skills and account management, what are the things you need to know about business acumen and finance, and a little bit of technology sprinkled in there as well. Okay, so this is the community that you get. You can ask questions every single day. I will be in here answering questions as you need. No question too small or too silly. Okay. The course itself is in the classroom. So again, all the videos documented in line, end to end with action so you can learn as you go along. Okay. If you can't get to the videos and you need to learn things on the fly, I've also provided you a TechSales OS operations manual. And essentially what this is, it's a cheat sheet of the entire course in documented form, as you can see here. So if you're at work and you're on the fly, you need to figure something out and you want to go, oh, what should I know about segmentation? Well, then I can go here. This is how I can segment my customers on the fly. Okay. When it comes to managing your portfolio, I've provided you a personal CRM. These are all the templates, all of the pipeline templates, how to manage your ecosystem and customer information, how to manage your service issues, how to keep on top of everything day to day as a portfolio seller, all there with lessons for each of those as well. This is all packaged inside the TechSales OS knowledge base. So this is what you would bookmark. This is your first step in the TechSales Academy experience. And this has got access to your documentation, to the community, as well as a range of bonus tools and industry sources and articles that I will be updating over time for free. And that's just giving you the latest and the greatest of what I think is useful for you in your tech sales journey. And then, of course, we have the community aspect. So, as I said, you can ask any question that you want, and I'll answer them in here. And then we'll also have weekly Q&A sessions starting in later of May. So, for an hour every week, you come and speak to me directly. If you've got any questions, if there are any things that you need a little more depth of understanding in, I'm here to support you, answering all of your questions earnestly to the best of my ability. Okay, so that's it there. 65 video lessons. Almost 100 pages of cheat sheets, the community, all of yours for life, updated, giving you the latest and the greatest. Just pay once. Amazing value. And if you wanted to see what the videos are, let's go through this now. So this is my top 1% process. So we go through the principles, the values, and the mindset of what is required to be a top 1% seller, all of my planning systems to help you structure your year to be as effective as possible, and then what I do to qualify, develop, and close customers throughout the sales year. Okay. When it comes to the lessons around psychology and sales, I give you the basics of what I think you need to understand about human psychology, how sales relates to psychology, and the importance of developing your personal brand, which is a really big focus here at TechSales OS. Okay. In the lessons around soft skills and account management, it's understanding how you can be a better communicator, a better presenter, and what are some of the account management standards that are useful to have to structure your day, because I know that's a big gap in the account manager's world, being one for 5 years myself. Okay. And then lastly, we've got all of the business acumen and technology solutions that I think are relevant for you. Okay. So understanding what does it mean to manage stakeholders? What are the key business units you'll be dealing with, and what do the leaders want to hear about? When it comes to understanding strategy and getting past the financial gatekeepers, what do you need to know about understanding their perspective and learning from their perspective about what they would do when deliberating between your offer and other organizations' offers. And then we've also got some fundamentals, let me get rid of that, about what I think you need to know about technology and strategy. Okay, so the idea behind TechSales OS is you combine this with your technical product knowledge from your organization. And these are the soft skills, the people skills that I think you need to understand to become a unicorn, an effective, well-rounded top 1% tech seller. Okay. So if you've got any questions about it, please reach out to me, and I hopefully I'll see you in the community. See you in a bit.